Okay, what's going on, team? So real quick, I'm gonna show you how to make sure that you can comment, that people can comment on your public posts. So I'm gonna share my screen real quick and show y'all. All right, so once you get to Facebook, you're gonna go to your Facebook, you're gonna go to settings and privacy. Right? Just go to settings because it makes it easier. Then once you go to settings, you're gonna go to public post. Right? Once you get the public post, you're gonna go to public post comments. Who can comment on your public post? Go to edit, change the drop down bar to public because a lot of times it's only on friends. So change that to public. Right? And I think that's cool. I don't know what this is. I may have to change that too. No, I'm not gonna change that. All right, so that's it.